Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Unfolding Path Tarot. This is a 78 card deck and guidebook by Athene Noctua, the same author that brought you the Crystal Ball Pocket Oracle. Published by Hay House, this retails for $24.99 in the US and $33.99 in Canada. And as always, in the description box below, you can find all of the links that you can legitimately purchase this deck should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings, and my Whatnot link where I sell my handmade ritual items as well as crocheted goodies. So thank you so much to Hay House for sending this deck our way. I am so grateful and excited to get into it. This 78 card tarot deck, featuring beautifully reimagined archetypes and modern diverse characters, will guide you as you explore the infinite paths your life can take. With unique interpretations of traditional Rider-Waite-Smith imagery, the Unfolding Path Tarot introduces a dazzling community of animals, plants, and people. This deck's vibrant artwork, insightful guidebook, and extra sprinkle of magic create the perfect compass for self-discovery. All of that sounds amazing. I'm excited. All right. Oh, how pretty! And there was one on the inside of the cover too. Oh, I am excited. All right. So before we get into the cards, I just want to take a peek at the guidebook to see if there's anything pertinent we need to know. Ooh, we do have a table of contents. So introduction, tarot basics, using this tarot. We've got card spreads, and then it goes into the card meanings, and then we have the author and acknowledgements. I was very clear when I conceived and planned the deck that age, race, gender, sexuality, and ability would all be beautifully represented in my deck. I wanted to create a modern tarot deck for the world we all live in, with a lovely extra dollop of magic. Love this. I'm so excited. All right, so it goes into information about the tarot. There's no right or wrong way to do this practice. Okay, card spreads. We have the single, the 2 card, the 3 card, Path to Self-Love, which is 4 cards, Where the Path Will Lead Today, which is 4 cards, My Soul's True Path, which is 6 cards, and then it goes into the meanings. All right, I cannot wait. Let's get into this. All right. Oh, look at that back. Oh, stunning. All right, cardstock, not too bad. It's a little bit on the thinner side, but it doesn't feel like paper. It feels like it's going to be a nice shuffle. Very flexible, but it snaps back. Yeah, it's on the thinner side, but I'm not mad at it because we have 78 cards to shuffle. And it's a matte. Love that. Nice size. No borders. We do have the title and the number. Oh, I'm excited. This is gorgeous. Well, I know it's really early, but I love this deck already. I think it's stunning. The energy coming out of it is just so positive, wonderful. I love the art style. This is very refreshing. Oh. Oh, it's just so pretty. And I love the flowers. I love the watercolor. Oh my gosh. Oh, a tire swing. That's so cute. Ooh. Oh, that's different. So pretty. And you can see like little nods to the symbolism as well in here. So like it's all there. I just feel like this is a really good example of intuitively picking up on things. I love this. Just stunning. All right, here we go, miners. I love the backgrounds are like already in the color scheme for the suit. That's pretty. Oh my gosh. Love. That's fun. I mean, I feel like we can all relate to that. Oh, stunning. Look at that cat. Oh, I can't. Gorgeous. Oh, this deck is making me so happy. Love, love, love. I mean, even got the pumpkin there. Love this so much. Radiant, beautiful. Cute. Love that. Oh, that's so sweet. This, like, not that they're the same, but it's very similar vibes to the Light Seers Tarot, which I use almost all the time if I'm not using my Everyday Witch Tarot. So I have a feeling this is going to be my new deck that I use a lot for clients. Absolutely stunning. I just love the vibe. I love that I can see people that are in my community. I love that I can see people that I relate to, that I see on a day-to-day. I love that. I feel like this is a great deck that represents the modern era. Aww. Oh, there's a dog. Always got to point out the animals. Cute. Majestic for sure. All right, and we have the Ace of Pentacles. Gorgeous. Oh. Love that. Oh my gosh. What a great idea. Look at her little seed. Oh, it's so cute. Love. Okay, well, I'm in love with this. Let's see how it shuffles. Yep. Nice, like butter. One more for good measure. Shuffles fine this way too. I mean, I am blown away with what I saw. I am so happy with the inclusivity of everything. Listen, we're not always going to have a perfect deck. You know, everybody's going to be disappointed by something. But this, to me, encapsulates everything that I preach on this channel. We've got body diversity, we've got age diversity, skin tone, gender, all of that stuff. Like, it is just so well thought out. All right, so we're going to read for the Three of Cups here, which I am just so in love with. This card absolutely is stunning. All right, so we've got friendship, celebration, collaboration, and joy as keywords, and then it goes into a little bit deeper of a meaning. Surround yourself with your dearest friends. You are encouraged to get out and socialize to expand your circle. We are social animals by nature, and our community connections are so essential to our overall well-being. They bring love, friendship, camaraderie, and mutual support during difficult times. So delight in your nearest and dearest and celebrate with a fabulous party or other festive gathering. Set aside the worries of the day, let your hair down, and have some fun. Our lives are blessed with friendships, so nourish them and watch them grow. So no reverse meanings, but that's okay. If you like to read reverse meanings, you can always find a tarot resource guide that can help you with that as well. But I typically don't. I always read upright and use my intuition to allow me to see where that meaning is supposed to go. But absolutely blown away, like I said. It's just beautiful. I think there was a lot of thought put into this. I mean, I just am seriously, honestly blown away. I have not seen a deck this inclusive in a long time. And if you guys want me to do a diversity collection of like the decks that I have that I think are really well done in that direction, let me know. I'm happy to do that as well. But this is literally what I talk about when I'm wanting a modern deck that feels like this day and age. So I'm very happy with it. I'm happy with the price point, the quality, the guidebook. I think it's stunning. I am so excited to hear what you guys have to say and think about this deck. And if you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for being with me and hanging out with me today. And let me know what you think down below, as well as if you've made it this far in the video, drop your favorite flower emoji in the comment as well. Thank you so much to Hay House for sending this deck our way. I am so excited to get to know this a lot better. Thank you, everyone. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.